Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will explore Filmora Mobile new feature Dynamic Caption. First, launch the Filmora Mobile App and on the start screen you will get an option for the Dynamic Caption. Click on it and it will ask you to import your video file. Select your finished video clip with voiceover and click on OK. It will show you the preview of your video. Then expand the language menu for caption. Select the language from the options and click on Add Caption. It will take a few moments to add caption. Once the caption is added, you can change the caption style from the options and even you can see a preview of how the caption going to look. You can directly export from here by clicking on Export, or for further editing click on Project Edit. Then it will take you to the timeline. Now you can adjust the caption AI setting for auto caption and highlight. Then change the caption template. Then you can change the color of the caption by using the style menu, adding a border, changing the background, changing position, even use the font tab to change the font of the captions, and change the word art by using Art tab. Also, you can do the batch editing. Click on Batch Edit and the whole captions are in front of you. Now you can add or edit the captions easily. Finally, you can use Highlight feature to highlight the specific word just by selecting that particular word and done. That's simple to create dynamic captions in Filmora Mobile. Download the app now and explore new feature in Filmora Mobile. See you in the next video.